Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Now, guys, today I'm actually going to take you in the kitchen to prepare chicken Alfredo. Now, this chicken Alfredo will be prepared by a friend of mine. Now, I will just be videoing it, guys. I tell you, this meal was so easy to prepare. It literally took about half an hour to prepare. Literally, no kidding you. So I do hope you relax and come along with us on the journey as we prepare this chicken Alfredo together. And if you like it, you know exactly what to do. As a matter of fact, you can do it right now. So let's jump straight into the video. So what we're doing here now, we're seasoning the chicken breast. I think you could probably use thigh as well, but our choice today is chicken breast. Let's see the seasoning that we're using. Let's see the name. Okay. Creole. That's how you pronounce it? Well, yes. And we're seasoning, not a whole lot, but just enough. You know, we're not going to put any salt or anything like that on it, just the seasoning alone. So, and then over here, we have some butter. So in our skillet here, we'll have some butter. And all we're going to do is to add our chicken breast to it. So there we're going to be adding chicken breast now. Already the kitchen is smelling good. Well, if we're going to make noise the amount. So you want to mix it on a little bit first, so that everything has some of the butter. You know, when you use butter, it just gives whatever you're doing that extra kick, as we would call it. Yes, ma'am. And then we're going to cover it to stir until it's cooked. Over here we have our pasta that's already been boiled. And once it is cooked, we're going to add it. So what we're making today again? Chicken Alfredo. Okay. So there we have done our first stirring or stirring, whatever you want to call it. We'll continue this process until it's cooked. And you know chicken breast, so it's not going to take very long. So there, we continue the process of stirring. And if you notice, it's actually cooked already. So just to add a little extra, you know, things to it to give it a taste. So we're going to add the basil leaf to this. Just a little bit. As you notice, we started already, but just wanted to show you what it is. So what we're going to add next, we're going to add our creamy sauce to this. Okay, you know, this going to give it the extra kick. You could also add, if you want, like your bell pepper. You know, I'm a color girl, so I'll add some red, some yellow, some green. You could also add your onions, and you so love that. So there we go. So we're gonna add some of this now, our creamy basil Alfredo. Oh my God. Let us see what it sounds. Woo-hoo. So we're gonna now mix it together. Guys, I want you to just imagine the colors. Imagine the colors in this. Man. So over here, so our pasta is actually ready. So what we're gonna do, we have turned off the stove. We're gonna get rid of the water, and then we're gonna add it to the lovely sauce that we have over there. Here we have it. We're gonna allow it to just drain the water a little, and then we're gonna pour it into the chicken. So we actually covered for a few minutes, and you notice what's happening inside, guys. I'm going to give you a little peep. Oh my gosh. I know you. Oh my God. The smell. Oh, wow. So we're going to be adding our pasta now. We're going to mix everything together nicely. And if you have your mozzarella cheese, you could also add as well. To all the cheese lovers. I know some of you are. So there we go. We're stirring this in. My God. You want to be in this kitchen right now. My. So this is actually the finished product, guys. So we actually enjoyed the meal. It was quite filling. And I hope you did like it and you could try it and tell us what you think. Bye.